Hello guys, hope you're doing great and welcome back to Ride With Me. My name is Prasanna and this video is the 13th episode of my epic road trip to Kardungla, the highest motorable road in the world. If you're new to my channel, do check out my previous episodes and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get instant notifications on my upcoming episodes. At 2:30 am last night while we were riding, we bumped into the small shop. We could not see anything around. It was so dark and also very cold, guys. We asked the person if we could tent up here. We were all dead tired. He agreed and we immediately set up our tents and slept for the day. We got up at 10 am and we were surrounded by huge dry brown color mountains. We were all very excited and kind of relaxed because Leh was just 100 kilometers from here and we knew for sure that we'll be reaching Leh today. After finishing our brunches, we started to pack our tents and were ready to witness the beauty of Leh. And we started to ride at around 12 am in the morning. As we started riding towards Leh, the scenery and the beauty was completely different here. Although there was sun, we felt a bit cold and also the climate kept changing. We were surrounded by nothing but huge dry mountains. There was nothing else around. Very rarely we saw some vehicles. Most of the time it was just our 6 bikes. We did not want to hurry up on reaching Leh. We were just enjoying the view and were riding at a very medium speed. I have seen these views only in movies, guys. It was a superb feeling to see it directly with our eyes. We crossed some small towns and could see some greeneries here and there. It was actually very beautiful to see trees amongst this huge dry mountains. As we were crossing a small town, one of our bikes was out of fuel, guys. Good that we had some emergency fuel. We filled them and continued to ride. There was only one petrol bunk between Kargil and Leh. And luckily it was just a few kilometers from where our bike stopped. We filled fuel and continued to ride. See how beautiful it is to see all the bikes cruising through the mountains. I was actually very surprised to see such neatly laid and well-maintained roads between Kargil and Leh. Constructing and maintaining these roads in mint condition amidst the changing climate at such an altitude is not at all an easy task, guys. They were managed by Border Roads organizations, fondly called as BRO. Awesome work, bro. Also, this is the first national highway of India, NH1. No wonder why it's so beautiful. We were mesmerized by the beauty around and stopped for a quick photo shoot. Look at this place, guys. Amazing. Let me end the episode here, and if you like the video, give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to get instant notifications on my upcoming episodes. See you in the next video.